want to see how I went from this to this, keep watching as I transfer this $30 synthetic Amazon wig. So we're gonna start with a quick makeup look. Speeding through the makeup part of this video because it wasn't perfect, but I still wanted to show y'all that it still came together with the final look. So first I primed my face with a primer, and now I'm just working on my eyebrows. Cleaning up the eyebrows with a concealer, and also dragging the concealer down as a primer for my eyelids. It's time for eyeshadow, so I'm going in with a orange, brownish, more of a neutral brown color for the crease. I should have did more shadowing on this concealer. I think this concealer was kind of too heavy to use as a base for my eyeshadow, but anyways, we make it work. And then we're going over the lids with a shimmer purple. Here's a little tip, a little trick. I didn't have the fuller lashes that I wanted for this look, so I ended up taking 2 lashes and combining them to form one, and that made the lashes appear fuller to give me a little bit of a better fuller look on my lashes. Alright, foundation time. Take whatever foundation you have and just go ahead and do a light cover over my face. Nothing too much. Take some concealer under the eye a little bit. Damp a sponge. Go ahead and clean up under the eye. And have a powder to set it all, along with a face powder to go ahead and just set my entire face. Don't forget to give yourself a little highlight under your eyebrows, on the bridge of your nose, your cupid's bow, wherever you feel like you want a little sparkle. Alright y'all, so we're gonna get into this wig. So this wig was purchased from Amazon. It is pronounced, I think I'm saying it right, Elim Wig, E-L-I-M. And this wig is popping off of TikTok. So she does come with just an adjustable strap in the back. There is no combs on this wig. She fit my head pretty sturdy. I didn't have issues with her falling off or anything like that, or being too small or too tight. So yeah, she does come curly. So you're gonna have to I just took my fingers and just finger comb the curls. I didn't want them combed out too much. So I just kind of got a feel for like the shape of how I want this hair to fall. I didn't want too much in the front, so as you saw, like I was pushing some of the hair from the front to the side. To me, one side of the hair is fuller than the other side. I don't know what was up with that, but anyways, so I just went ahead and put some earrings on so I can get the full view of the look that I'm going for. So I wanted like some loose curls in the front, so that's why I'm kind of like reshaping my curls, just to play around with the hair to get a feel on how I want this hair to fall. I will say, to me, I think you can get like a good 3 uses out this curly hair depending on how you store it. So yeah, I'm just, like I said, moving some more from the front to the side just to kind of get an adjustment on how I'm gonna do this. So we're about to start cutting. So get your scissors, frame your face. I slow down so y'all can actually see in real time how I cut this hair. So I'm just taking a little bit at a time, framing the hair around my face. To me, I didn't need too much off of this side, but that first side, yeah, I'm gonna take some more off. I cut backwards on this side, y'all, so make sure you start cutting first the hair that's to your face so that part can be shorter and not opposite like how I just did. So yeah, just keep watching. I'm just still cutting. I'm just trying to get a fit for the hair. The hair does not come layered, so I'm gonna take some off of the top on each side to kind of layer it as well. Just once again, I'm just continuing to give the hair a little bit of a shape, and I also do the same thing to the back. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. Listen, y'all need something cute for a wedding or to go out, y'all go run to Amazon and go ahead and grab this wig. You will not be disappointed. You cannot mess it up. Just go ahead, get y'all this wig and thank me later. As always, y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.